Is your fan remote non-responsive? I may have a fix for you.
Turn your wall mount fan remote to the off position.
Your fan should now begin to stop.
We are going to remove this cover. To do that, there is a slot right at the top. Just got to get a screwdriver or something. Pop that off. Remove the battery. This is a A23 12 volt battery. You can pick these up from any hardware store, most likely, or Target. Insert the new battery. Make sure that both of the metal pieces are in there. You want the negative towards the springy side. Within 5 seconds, we're gonna turn this back to the on position and then hit the off button and hold down on that button. And that's gonna reprogram this remote. You'll see the light begin to blink. Go ahead and test it out before you reinstall the cover. Reinstall the cover, should just clip in. That's it. Hopefully that fixed your problem.